Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how to put your name in an image in Photoshop. So you open Photoshop, and typically you can type it down here to find it, but you can get it in here as well. And you want Photoshop CC 2018, okay? So once you have it open, you go to File, Open, and you find your image. I already have mine open. All you're going to do is, on this toolbar on the left hand side, this button right here is your text button. You're going to click on it and it's going to give you all these presets up here. I'm going to want my name in black, I think. So you're going to click on the picture where you want your name. I'm going to put my name in. And then once you get it typed in, you can highlight it. You can change the color. Maybe I'll pick. You can even pick your color. And then you can change your font. And you can change the size. And then once you're done, you're going to hit the check mark. And I want to move it now. So this tool here will allow me to move my name.
I almost won a swimming race, but someone stole it.
And then when you save it, you want to save as. You need to make sure you save it as a JPEG. Okay? And that's it. That's all you have to do.